Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You won't get unlimited points by breaking rules, so set up correctly. Create and verify one Microsoft account, enable two-step verification, and sign into Edge on every device. Once done, opt into Microsoft Rewards and confirm your country and time zone so offers match. Make sure you use the signed-in Edge browser for searches and the Rewards widget is active. This establishes legitimate crediting and prevents accidental account flags. Now focus on consistent legitimate activity. You earn most by doing daily searches on desktop and mobile, completing daily quizzes, and the small offers or polls that appear. Use the Edge browser to get its browsing bonus and open weekly sets of tasks and challenges. These stack across devices. Make sure to check the Microsoft Rewards dashboard each day to pick up new tasks. Staying consistent compounds points and maximizes what the program allows without violating terms. Finish by making earned points useful and sustainable. Redeem periodically for gift cards, subscriptions, or sweepstakes to avoid losing tracked activity if policies change. You can use family members who opt in to contribute legitimately, but make sure all activity follows the terms of service to avoid suspension. If points don't post or your account is limited, document activity, wait 24-48 hours. Then contact Microsoft support and provide screenshots. That resolves most account crediting problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.